Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I don't have time to do a tutorial, but I'm going to give you a free pattern for this Bobble Tam, and I'm going to put it in the first comment below the video. And it's a very easy pattern. You don't have very complicated stitches. And the night before last we had a 9-inch snowfall, and here's a view of my backyard. It was very pretty. Here's the front yard. You can see that tree is very full of snow. It's very beautiful. That's a very large tree. It doesn't look as large in the photos. And there's snow that needs to be shoveled. And then I looked out my back window and I see this going on in my backyard. And the deer were out there just having a grand old time frolicking in the snow. And I don't know how many there were. There were quite a few. Some of them were already behind the trees, but usually they don't hang around in such a large herd. But for some reason today they were all together in my backyard and having a grand old time running around. The young ones seemed to be more energetic than the older ones. The older ones just standing around watching them, probably thinking, what are those youngsters up to? So for your viewing pleasure, I'll just show you a little bit of that. And this one, he was zooming. And there's a bit of a closer-up of them. And that was my entertainment in the backyard with the deer today.